everyone, so for today's video I'm going to be showing you everything I received for my 16th birthday, as it was my birthday last Saturday on the 13th of January and I had honestly an amazing day, and some of you asked what I actually received, so I thought I would do a video for you all giving you a little haul of everything I received for my birthday. I'm not trying to brag or show off in any way. Like I said, a few of you have asked for these and I've done one every year now since my 13th birthday. Honestly, that video is so old right now, but yeah, I just thought I would show you everything I received for my birthday as kind of like a way to say thank you. Thank you to everyone who got me something or just wished me happy birthday. Thank you so much, and without further ado, I'm just going to show you everything I got for my birthday. I want to say a massive thank you to my grandparents for giving me some money. It will be very well spent and put towards something really, really good. So I'm going to start off with what my friends gave me. So my friend Emily also gave me some money, and that's currently in my purse. So thank you so much for that. I can't wait to go spend it. And then the rest of my group, we do like a group present. So my group present that I received was a Debenhams voucher. So I'm gonna have to go to Debenhams pretty soon and buy some makeup because I've wanted like a proper high-end foundation for a long time, and they thought instead of trying to find the foundation, they give me the voucher. So thank you so much. I cannot wait to go spend this. I'm also gonna buy the Mary Lou highlighter because it looks amazing. Thank you very much, everyone. And then also my friend Goodness got me 2 extra things. The first thing she got me is this glass ornament, which I'm going to put on my shelf, and it just says, "A true friend is priceless, so precious and rare, and true friendship is a gift to treasure with care," which I think is so lovely. So yeah, it's going to go sitting up on my shelf above me. And she also got me this lovely Ted Baker set, which smells amazing. This is called the Bathing Blooms, and in here you get the bubble bath, body spray, body souffle, and body wash. So these smell amazing. I cannot wait to use them, so thank you so much. And also Ted Baker's packaging is always really, really cute, so cannot wait to try those out. And then finally, from my friend Neve, I got something from Pandora, which I honestly wasn't expecting, and I got a pair of earrings, and they're just these star earrings. I'll film a close-up for you in a minute, but they're like silver, and then they've just got a star in them, and they're honestly so nice. They look really nice when they're in your ear as well. So thank you so much, Neve, for this, and also the moon pig card you made is pretty cool. So then from my auntie and uncle and cousins, I got this lovely pencil case from Paper Chase. It's kind of like a purple holographic colour, and then when I opened it up, there was actually some money inside, so thank you so much. I was not expecting that when I opened it up, but yeah, I absolutely love Paper Chase and also the stationery, so I'm going to be able to fit loads of pens and pencils in here, which is always really good. And then from our family friend Susie, I also got some money, so thank you for that. And also this lovely jewellery bag, which is basically, you can put like jewellery in here when you go travelling, so it's got 2 zip pockets and a big pocket, and also this kind of like holder here which you can slide your rings and stuff onto, and it's magnetic. So thank you so much for this, as now I'll never lose my jewellery again. Okay, so I'm going to move on to what my mum and dad got me, as I honestly wasn't expecting anything. I kind of just asked for one thing, because the trouble is with having your birthday straight after Christmas, you never really know what you want. Like, it was 3 weeks since Christmas and then it's my birthday. So the only thing I'd asked for is a Google Home Mini, which I actually did get. It kind of just looks like this. It's currently sat on my desk and it's a nightmare to unplug, so I won't do that, but yeah, I absolutely love this. So downstairs in the kitchen we had like the big Google Home, and then I asked for one for my birthday and Dexter got one for Christmas. So when I opened this, I was super excited. I honestly love it. It's so handy just to have someone to talk to, and it's a really, really good speaker. Like, sound quality wise, it's amazing. So if you're looking for like deciding between the Alexa and the Google Home, I think the Google Home sound quality wise is so much better, because I looked at the Echo Dot and stuff and it wasn't as good. So yeah, I absolutely love this. Thank you so, so much. Next thing I got from my mum and dad, I was honestly not expecting. So all week I've been going on about how I wanted to buy some black shoes, and then at Christmas time I got my pink Vans, because I was under the illusion I was getting the black ones, and my mum surprised me with the pink ones because she was able to get them. And then yesterday, because I'm currently filming this on the 14th, I opened it up and I got the black and white Vans, which I was so happy about, because I do not own a pair of black shoes. I have a pair of white shoes, a pair of pink shoes, but I did not have any black shoes. And I have so many outfits that need black shoes for. So I was not expecting these. My mum said she never actually returned them. So So these are the black and white Vans, but these ones are like suede at the front and at the very back, and then the rest of it is like fabric, and these are so comfy. Like I said in my what I got for Christmas, I'm a flat-footed person, so flat-footed shoes are best for me, and also I have quite narrow feet, and these work really, really well. They don't make me look like I have clown feet or anything. So I have worn these, so they're a little bit dirty underneath, but thank you so much. I honestly was not expecting these. It was a bit of a shock when I opened them up. And then I also got 2 things from Pandora, which again, I had no idea about. So the first thing came in this big box, which I was like, oh, it's a bracelet. But no, actually it's a ring, which is so nice. So they did get me like this heart ring, but it didn't fit. And then we went into the Pandora shop, and I actually changed it to the bubble stacking ring because it matches really nicely with the one I got for Christmas, and this fits so much better as well. So thank you so much for this. And then from my mum and dad, and actually Dexter, he didn't know, but I also got a pair of earrings, and these are like the infinity shape earrings, and again I'll do a close-up on both of these, but this is like plain on one loop and then like studded on the other, and these are so pretty. I've been wearing them today, but I've just taken them out to show you, and again, really, really nice quality, and I'm really into earrings at the moment. Like, I will buy so many pairs of earrings, so thank you so much for both of these. Next thing I got is from Soap & Glory, and this is the pink pamper set. So in here you get a load of items. You get the Scrub of Your Life, Clean On Me, the Vitamin C facial wash, Heal Genius hand food, Righteous Butter, and a big sponge, and it's kind of wrapped up right now in some tissue paper, everything. And Boots' packaging is honestly so lovely, and it's kind of handy having your birthday in January because all the Christmas stuff goes on offer or on sale. So yeah, I absolutely love this, and I also love the bag. Like, it's kind of something I can use again as a wash bag, so thank you so much for this. Thing are these Stabilo highlighters, which I have wanted for such a long time. I have the pastel ones and I love them, and I also have the thin ones in my pencil case, but after Christmas I really wanted these because they were on sale in WH Smith's and I could not find them anywhere. And then yesterday we got home from London and there was this package that come through the door. My mum was like, what is that? We opened it up and it was these, and I was so happy. So in here you get the blue, 2 shades of green, you get about like a pink, and then like a brighter pink, and then a pinky orange, then an orange, and a yellow. The yellow is amazing. It's so bright. I absolutely love it. But yeah, Stabilo highlighters are my absolute favourite. I then got a Yankee candle. This is like the frosted glass holder, and then inside was a candle, and this is the candle of the month, which is Clean Cotton, and it smells incredible. I absolutely love Yankee candles. I have loads and I love burning them because they all smell amazing. So now I have another one to add to my collection, and I also have a nice holder for it because right now I haven't really had anything to hold the candle, so thank you for this. And then I also got a Topshop voucher because there's been some clothes in there that I wanted to buy, so now I can go purchase them. There's a skirt in there, there's tops. Topshop have some really, really lovely things in at the moment, so I'm very excited to go on a shopping spree. And then the final thing I got came in this massive Liz Earle bag, and in here was a set, and this is the Liz Earle Winter Radiance Duo, and honestly, I love Liz Earle. I have the toner and I've had the cleanse and polish before, and I've got a face mask, and it works wonders for my skin. So in here is the cleanse and polish hot cloth cleanser. It also comes with a hot cloth, and then in here there's also the gentle face exfoliator, which I've never tried before, so I'm really excited to try that out. And this is just a brand that works so well for my skin, as my skin's quite sensitive, so I have to be really careful with what I use, and also it can get quite dry, so anything that kind of counteracts that is great. And honestly, this whole packaging is so lovely. Like, I would not expect this from them. It's honestly so nice, like in a box and a bag and everything. So Boots and Liz Earle, you know what you're doing right. And that is everything I got from my mum and dad, so thank you so, so much. I honestly wasn't expecting it, and I'm just so in love with everything. And then finally, I want to say a massive thank you to my neighbours for the money and also the balloon they got me. I was not expecting that. When they came around with the balloon and everything, it was amazing. So thank you so much, and thank you to everyone who wished me a happy birthday. I had a lovely day up in London at the Dungeons, which is something I've wanted to do forever. I definitely recommend that if you're into that kind of thing, definitely go check it out. The ride at the end is one of the best things I've ever been on. I hate rides, but that was just brilliant. You're literally like up in like it looks like something you would go on a like Fort Park with a thing over you, and then you just drop to the ground. Like, I'm not a big ride person, but that was brilliant, and the photo they got of me was hilarious. So yeah, I had a really lovely day yesterday, so yeah, that is everything I got for my 16th birthday. I hope you've all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a massive thumbs up. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below too. And I will see you all next Sunday for a study with me. Bye!